Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram not showing highlight on story on iPhone. So first check the 48 hour limit. Ensure your story has been published for more than 48 hours. Second, update Instagram. Go to App Store. Search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram app and if any update is available, tap on update and update it. Third step, clear Instagram cache data. So go to settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on iPhone storage. From here select Instagram and from here tap on offload app. Now go to App Store again, search Instagram, tap on get and download it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.